I'm Dr. Binu. In underground cable engineering subject, the third topic in the first unit is distribution of energy for lighting. Energy efficiency refers to the amount of energy required to provide appropriate light. The specific requirement of a lighting system normally depends on the type of task to be accomplished in a particular space. Defining a specific lighting need is a rather complex task. It normally involves not only the measuring of technical parameters like illuminance, contrast, color, as well as temperature, but also influenced by subjective perceptions, which normally vary from region to region or even from person to person. For the purpose of the technology radar, different everyday lighting needs can be broadly classified into three categories. The first one is domestic lighting, second one lighting the workspace, third one lighting outdoor spaces. There are numerous different specific lighting cases are valid for each group. The search for superior options involve examining the different technical options available and comparing their energy demand. Our lamps are sources of artificial light and therefore are central elements of any lighting system. Both the quality of light and energy efficiency can be significantly improved by the correct selection of other auxiliary elements of the system. The most common perception sees the lamp as the device which required to fulfill our lighting needs. When looking for more energy efficient ways to meet our needs, it is preferable to think in terms of lighting system. That is a set of elements which combining different functions and properties. They provides appropriate artificial light and avoids unnecessary energy losses. The technology radar classifies the components that can make up an energy efficient lighting system into five groups. The first one is components for improving the use of daylight. Second one, lighting controls. Third one, ballast. Fourth one, luminaries. Fifth one, electric lamp. This diagram represents the various components for improving the use of daylight. In order to utilize the daylight, we have to properly make arrangement to use the direct sunlight as well as indirect sunlight. Daylight is probably the most energy efficient lighting option. It seems also to have positive effects on health and productivity. Harnessing natural daylight for lighting indoor spaces can be a complex task. The availability of daylight is constrained by the design of buildings. Issues such as the availability and orientation of windows, the floor to ceiling height, and the layout of the rooms influence the increase of daylight as well as the options of distributing it within the building. The various lighting controls are lighting controls technologies comprises a combination of devices and control strategies that allow for the provision of lighting services that be varied in accordance with actual levels of natural daylight and the needs of the location. The first diagram represent light switch, second one photo sensor, a third one occupancy sensor, and normally ultrasonic as well as infrared sensors are used in this purpose. Illuminated rooms, examples bathrooms, corridors, or stairways that are empty during long periods. Rooms as well as corridors with large windows or transparent walls where electric lights are continuously or regardless of the supply of natural light. The second one is ballast. A ballast is a device used to regulate the flow of electrical current, most commonly found in fluorescent and high intensity discharge lamps, that is HID lamp, which provides necessary voltage to start the lamp and then regulates the current to ensure stable and consistent light output, which prevent the lamp from overheating or burning out. Ballast are essential for the safe and efficient operation of this type of light. The ballast is represented the image given in the slide. Thank you.